In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add languages to the default keyboard on your Samsung Galaxy A24. So first, open the Settings app, and under Settings, scroll down until you find General Management. Tap on that. Next, select Samsung Keyboard Settings, assuming it's your default keyboard. And here, you should see the option Languages and Types. Tap on that. To add a language, select Manage Input Languages, and then a list of languages that are downloaded already will appear with toggles next to them. To add a language, just tap on the toggle and it will be added to the keyboard. So we can add Spanish and Turkish. If you want to download a language that you can't find on this list, go down until you see the option Available Languages, and then look for the language you want to download. And once you find it, tap on the download icon here. So select a language and then tap on the download icon like that, and then just wait for it to download. Once it's been downloaded, you can go back to the top under the section Downloaded Languages, and then you'll find your selected language. As you can see, the keyboard can only support 4 languages, so make sure you select 4 languages that are really important. If not, you can always just come back and change it once you're done with it. So once you're done with these, go back, and then you can change the keyboard format. So for example, you can change between QWERTY, Quartz, AZERTY, and 3x4. So you can choose one of these formats for all these languages. Then when you go back to type something out, what you want to do when you want to switch between languages is use this language key at the bottom here. So when you're typing something out, so for example, let's say you can say welcome in English. To change it to a different language, just tap on the language icon and then select a different language. So then you'll be brought to your keyboard and you can just tap whatever it is you want to say. So different languages will have different formats. It won't always be the same. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.